I don't love you anymore.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Konbanwa, konnichiwa, whatever. Today is a blessed day. Finally. The little weeb inside me can finally rest in peace because I kid you not, I finally found what they call a ramune or a ramune. Whatever, I don't care. But if we read here, it is a hata ramune. What's a hata ramune? I don't know. Anyway, call it a miracle. I was walking inside the hypermarket called Spinneys and I saw that they were importing Japanese stuff. There is Nippon Kitokato. Watashi wa daisuki Nippon Kitokato. And I also daisuki. Whatever they call it, hata or something. It is a hata ramune. I'm pretty sure this is the original flavor, so it's supposed to be like a lemon lime or something. And it's pretty amazing. As we can all see, the first thing that strikes you is the bottle, and this is why people buy this. This is because of the bottle. It's a glass bottle. It has a weird shape and also a weird top, but this we will find out soon. But first, let us take a look at the bottle. I really have no idea other than tell you this is made in Japan, 200 milliliter. It is imported by Gray McKinsey Retail and it is expired in June of 2024. All this in Japanese, I have no idea. And here there is instruction. We will come back to them later. And of course, here is the usual something about the nutritional facts or something. Other than that, we cannot say anything. Also, why did I choose this bottle? This seems the most generic. There is a lot of flavors, but I wanted something clear first, and I wanted the original. So at least when we do what we have to do, we can actually see it. And best of all, I have here with me a towel so we can clean the sweat from it because I took it out of the fridge and it's actually hot today. Anyway, how about we try it and see what it is? First of all, we need to open it. It's not like a Pepsi or something, you cannot twist it off. So if you look around, they tell you you need to open this up from here. There is a tab, I'm sure of it. It always pains me, these ones. Here, it's like this. And now I'm pretty sure we do it like this. It's really hard, by the way, guys. Something fell off. I wonder what it is. Anyway, let's keep taking these off. And it's gone. Anyway, I'll throw this in the trash. And now let us drink. So, in order to show you how it pours, I got myself a glass. Shout out if you have a glass like this at home. Anyway, let us pour it. What the heck? What the fudge? What's happening, guys? So this, we need to... what? Cannot open? Holy crap, why cannot drink my drink? It's not pouring, guys. What the... goodness gracious. What's this? Oh my god, what is this? There's something here. Oh my god, it seems like a round spherical shape that's obstructing the pouring of the liquid inside the glass. What shall we do? I will use my hand and I will defeat it and I will open it. Oh my god, I'm not strong enough to open it. The power of Thor and the power of Grayskull compels you. Cannot open it. If only we had some kind of tool or apparatus to help us open it. But oh wait, I remember one thing. There is here some instruction. What is this? They tell something about a certain cap. Let's see. I didn't throw this into the garbage, so we need to use this to open this. Nice, huh? It's not opening, guys. How can I open this? They say here to take this and apply pressure. Wow, what is this? A plunger? And what is this? This is nothing. We can throw it away. Anyway, this is used to open this. So let us take a closer look. Let us fix the camera, maybe fix the zoom. Let's take this out of the picture and let's clean this up a bit to remove the sweat. As we notice, there is a marble here. The marble needs to get down, but in order to make it go down, we have to use the plunger. So we basically put this here, like this, and the marble should drop. So let's fix this a bit like this. so you can clearly see what I'm going. You need to apply force here. So let us use the palm of our hands to do this. Oh my gosh, it fizzed. They told me online to keep my hand on it for a few seconds because it's gonna fizz, but I forgot about that. Silly me, right? Anyway, let us take a look. The marble is inside, it is here. Maybe we can remove a bit of the sweat from here. Maybe do a little zoom. Here it is, the marble. Let's try a bit more light. Nothing can help really, even light cannot help, but there is the marble here. So let's go back to it. The marble is inside, you can see it rolling. That's super cool. Now we can pour it, and as you see I have a handy glass here. So let's try pouring it. It's pouring. Oh no! Why is it doing this? Aha! And now we can see the marble even better. But you might ask, what are these grooves here? So you use the groove to trap the marble like this. And now we can pour all the drink we want easily. Isn't this something? It seems like some sort of 7-Up. So here's the drink. Here is the bottle. The marble is stuck up here. And you can stuck it between these two grooves. That's amazing, because if you do it like this, it won't get stuck easily. Some liquid will come down, but at the end it will get stuck. So this is pretty ingenious, these two grooves. You just strap it like this and pour. Anyway, here is the drink, and that's awesome. It's carbonated. Let's take a smell. How about we change a bit of the perspective? Hey guys, welcome back again. Yes, I'm shaved. Not up here, but down here. Anyway, we have the glass of Ramune. Smells peculiar, like a really sweet 7-Up. Let's take a drink. Wow! Wait, there's something. There's an aftertaste. I really can't put my finger on it. It's familiar. Like bubble gum? Really? You know, those bubble gum, those round things that drops from the machine when you put a quarter? It's a really nice soda. It's so nice, I drank it all. That's amazing. But there's a peculiar aftertaste. I really need to do some research about it. Shame I cannot read Japanese to know what's inside this, because this is really interesting. Now the most important thing, I want to see if I can drink it from the bottle without spilling on me. I hope I don't spill, because this is, I just wore right now this pajamas. Can we drink this like a normal pop or a soda bottle, like a glass bottle of Pepsi? Theoretically I should, so I don't want to make any problem, so I will use the groove here and will drink. It is, but it's not easy, because I'm really used to drink it like a normal Pepsi. Maybe I have to put my mouth on the whole opening like this. It's very cold. And that's very tasty and very peculiar. Okay, you can drink from this from the bottle, but I think there's a learning curve to it. It's not very hard, but I think it's doable. And I like this. Now when I'm after finishing this, I will clean this bottle and I will keep it in my room as a souvenir, because oh my gosh, I like this bottle. And this is amazing. And also the taste is quite pleasant. It's different than 7-Up or Sprite or any other lemon lime drinks usually have. Lately I've been having RC Cola and Z Cola. This is so much different. And this is just so much fun. I like this. It was worth the wait. This is around $2.49, I guess. It's a bit expensive for a 200 milliliter, but the novelty of having the bottle is quite nice. I highly recommend it. It didn't disappoint. The bottle is amazing. The drink is amazing. So that's very good. Already, I'm feeling the burp. I'm sorry. Wow, that's high carbonation in it. And I was holding it for a while. So hope you excuse me about this. Anyway, Ramune is great. I like it. My inner weeb is very happy about it. I'm just sad that I only found it just now with the economical collapse here. Back in the good old days, if I found it, I would have bought every single flavor there is and made reviews of all of them. But now, since it's a bit expensive, I got two. I got this one and I got the cola flavor. But the cola, I think it's just cola. I just wanted to tell you what the original taste of the Ramune tastes like, looks like, and feels like. Anyway, I'm highly appreciated and I'm highly happy about this one and I highly recommend it. So tell me in the comments below, did you ever try it? Did you ever seen it? Are you interested? Did you ever hear about it? Do you have any idea this sort of bottle is available? I heard other parts than Japan does this. I also heard India does these kind. Maybe one day we'll find them. Anyway, this was my review of the Hata. And that was the thumbnail, by the way, and I really enjoyed it, and this marble, playing this will never get old. Anyway, this was Lazy Lebanese Lifestyle, and I will catch you all next time. Take care.
Change the world, my final message.